Longing for the Peranakan flavors my late mum used to cook, we decided to try Godmama after hearing great reviews. Godmama is a modern Peranakan restaurant in Singapore, offering both authentic Nanya cuisine and innovative Peranakan creations. We had crispy fried fish crackers with a flavorfully modern puss sambal belacan cream sauce, paired with cool glass of Peranakan longan red date and calamansi sour plum. Instead of the usual ayam buah keluak dish, we decided to try their squid version, which was equally delicious and had the right tangy and nutty buah keluak flavor. That was awesome. The babi arsam pork belly was tender, perfectly infused with the fragrant rempah. The sayur lodeh had a luscious coconut richness, with a punch of dried shrimp flavor that added an irresistible depth. The beef rendang dish was tender and succulent, with a perfect balance of spices from the slow-cooked ingredients. The ikan marsuk nanas, however, was overly sour and lacked the natural sweetness of pineapple. For dessert, we indulged in the luscious durian creme brulee and the Godmama exclusive ginger flower and lychee sorbet, beautifully topped with roasted peanut crumble and lime jelly. Absolutely divine. As a picky Peranakan eater, I'm thrilled to say Godmama nailed it with flavors that took me back to the dishes I grew up loving. With attentive service and so many signature dishes to try, I can't wait to come back for more.